Hi there, welcome to the ingredient channel where I share easy to follow homemade Chinese recipes. In this episode, I'm presenting you a homemade Zha Jiang recipe compared to the famous sauce for Beijing Zha Jiang Mian. This sauce recipe is from the northeastern part, which is more rustic but still very delicious. Well, it serves as a perfect sauce and topping for noodles. Today, I'm also introducing another traditional way that the sauce is consumed in the northeastern part of China, which is serving as a dipping sauce for vegetables. In our case, a white radish, blanched, and some cucumbers. Like the English proverb of an apple a day keeps the doctor away, in my hometown, people say a radish a day in the fall keeps the doctor away. While I certainly have no medical proof of how accurate the statement is, one thing I noticed for sure is radish tastes the best in the fall. There are many ways to cook radish. One of the simple recipes is to just blanch it and dip into this delicious homemade fried sauce. One medium white radish, skin peeled, slice into 3 to 4 millimeter thin. Blanch for about 3 minutes or until the radish slices turn translucent. Drain and set aside. Wash and cut some baby cucumbers and set aside as well. For the sauce, in a bowl, 1 tablespoon of soybean paste, 2 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, about 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, which is optional, 3/4 cup of water, starch, 2 teaspoons. Mix well. In a heated pan with 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, crack a large egg, stir fry and break the eggs into small pieces. A pair of chopsticks is the best tool. Pour the liquid ingredients in. Stir constantly so the sauce does not get stuck on the bottom. In about 2 to 3 minutes after boiling, the sauce starts getting thick. Make sure this is medium heat. Keep simmering until the sauce reaches the consistency and no longer watery. Switch off the heat, pour the sauce into a bowl and serve. Just dip the vegetables in and eat. It is very fresh, a little sweet somehow from the radish, and tasty. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please do like and share the recipe to support my channel. If you're new, please also remember to subscribe for more exciting and easy to follow authentic Chinese recipes. Thanks and see you around.